Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the HomeMate heated blanket and how we can fix the issue if it's not heating and you're going to have some errors there. So first thing first, what you can try to do is just turn off the blanket and unplug it from the wall. Inspect all connections going in and out the control and the blanket are fine. So this is important. Now, ensure everything is like fine. And then what you want to do is that when you're gonna plug it back to the wall, you want to press and hold the power button. So try it out, maybe it's going to fix the issue. So you plugged it out right now for like 10-15 minutes, wait, and then what you want to do is just press and hold the power button, and then what you want to do while holding the power button, you want to plug it back to the outlet, and then when you're gonna hold the power button, you just want to hold while it's going to be in a wall, and when you're gonna just wait and wait and wait, maybe it's going to reboot or do something. And I hope it's going to work out, but maybe it's going to fix the issue that you have. So, and of course, don't have any extension cord or power strip. And if the error goes away after plugging directly to the wall, the issue was likely with the extension cord or power strip. And that's pretty much it. So I hope it's going to fix the issue that you have with it. If not, I'm really sorry I tried. Goodbye.